What are we doing? Where are we checking into?
Into the new Polynesian.
Into the new Poly Tower. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
This is cool.
Just go ahead and park.
Go ahead and park.
Yes. I'm sorry here.
Woohoo! Wow, come on, Rue. It's so pretty. Hi, how are you? Good. She can do your magic band if you want to go over there. Come here, Rue. I know. Look at how pretty it is up there. Who do you see? Tamatoa. Who else do you see? I heard there was a hidden Minnie on this wall. There it is. Look. There's the hidden Minnie. Do you see her? Yep. It's a little hidden Minnie.
Oh, I see it.
Oh. Hey.
Hey, it's Moana's boat.
Wow.
Is it Moana's boat? That's amazing.
Yep, knew that was gonna happen. Y'all are silly.
Have you seen the water at the bar?
No.
It's like, if it's windy, it's easy for that water.
There's like not a lot of beach over here. I need to kind of see. Looks like there's just this. That's the life, man.
I get used to this. There's one of the gardens.
This is the new Wailulu Grill, which is at the bottom of the Poly Tower. It is really good. We actually ended up eating here and really enjoyed it. And they do have a grab and go situation for breakfast. They're not fully open for breakfast right now, but you can grab like pastries and coffee. And then let's walk over. I'm going to show you the Cove pool. So this is the all new pool area over by the tower. They have the Moana splash pad, which is really fun. I will say my kids did end up playing here, but if you have like little ones, I think this would be perfect. But if you have a little more adventurous kids, then they might get disengaged pretty quickly. It was fun and it was cute, but they played on it for like 5 minutes and then they were over it. And then they do have a zero entry pool, which is really nice. The kids spent quite a bit of time in here, even though it was a little chilly outside.
First impressions.
What you think? It's beautiful.
I love it.
I don't know why everyone's so mad about it.
Yeah.
It's stunning.
The newness is evident.
Yeah, but
I
it's
love it,
beautiful.
yeah.
It's beautiful.
I can't wait to see the gardens.
I wish there was more like space out here for the kids. Like I feel like it's really slim, but it's
They
very.
didn't have a lot to work with, though.
No.
So I think they did well with what they had.
I agree. No, I totally. It's also really quiet out here right now, which is nice. Like there aren't a lot of people out here. It's really nice.
Daddy.
Are you gonna sleep here tonight?
Huh?
Are you gonna sleep here tonight?
I think it's cold if you a blanket. Yeah.
I stopped a little bit because my friend Melissa actually had this beautiful company local to Orlando home make leis for us. So we had orchid leis delivered to us in the lobby, which was so amazing. But we wanted to go and check out all of the little garden rooms here at the new Poly Tower. So they have a total of 4. There are 2 that face like the golf course side, and then there are 2 that face the water side, and they are beautiful. This is one that faces the water side, and then this one right here is like the snake I don't actually, that might be the volcano one. But there's 4 different ones, and then they are so beautiful. They're like the perfect place for you to chill. And we paid for a cash room here. So I think one of the misconceptions is that you do have to be a DVC member to actually have access to the garden lounges, but that's not true. Our family stayed, we paid cash for our room, which basically just means that we booked direct through Disney. We didn't use Disney Vacation Club points, and they were just totally beautiful. I recommend like the 5th and 6th floor for fireworks viewing. And then we finally made our way to the pool for the Moana splash pad. So I'll let you guys see some of that. Go run through it, go. I do love that the splash pad is gated off from the regular pool area. So a lot of the other Disney pools, the splash pad is right there so kids can run to the big pool, but I'm really glad they have that separation here. I will say though, my kids did get a little bored of the splash pad. It is better for like little ones. So they wanted to spend more time like jumping in the big pool and swimming. So that's what we did. Then we got the notification that our room was ready, but I want to tell you a little bit about it because we paid for a theme park view and we had an awful view. We had no theme park view. We were on the first floor, so I'll show you a little bit about it. Okay, this is our room. We are on the first floor, so we'll have to see what that is like. This is a first floor room, and we did get a theme park view. However, there's no theme park view. You can see the Contemporary. You can like barely see out there, so I think I might actually have to ask if we can be moved. Okay, so long story short, we asked to be moved to a different room because I was not going to pay $1,500 a night to not have a theme park view. So we went to Captain Cook's and ate lunch while we were waiting on that new room to be ready. Okay, so update, they did change our room. They didn't have another theme park view, 1 bedroom available, but we got downgraded to a preferred view, 1 bedroom. So hopefully that will be better.
So it'll probably be the same view that we had in our theme park view room. So it probably won't be much different.
Yeah, it was pretty bad. I mean, I think I got a good video of the view. It wasn't a good view, but they were really apologetic and they fixed the issue, and we did get a refund for the difference, so that's nice. I rarely complain about my rooms, and I'm not just saying that. When we were at the 3-bedroom Grand Villa at Animal Kingdom Lodge, we had a Savannah view, and there were trees blocking it like so bad that my friend that was with us did complain. I didn't, because I was just like, it's okay, but it wasn't really okay. It was really bad. But I think I've only complained about something, this is like the 2nd time ever, so I feel like that's pretty good with coming down monthly, but I don't know, it was a bummer. This is us. All right, watch out, Leeds.
What do you need to show me? Very awesome.
Whoa.
What do you think? Look, that's Grammatella Stingray.
Is that what?
You can actually see Space Mountain. This is a better view from Preferred than our room that was theme park view. So if they would have even put me here first, I would have been happy. I wouldn't have even complained. You can like barely see the castle, but it's there. Yeah, this is definitely more theme park view than the other view that we had. Yeah. Okay, so there's a pull down here, which is nice. Look, Leeds, there's Tamatoa.
There's Maui and
Maui and Moana.
Oh, this isn't the only bed though. Look, one of y'all can sleep here if you want, or you insist you can both sleep right here.
Daddy's gonna move these little stools, and
Watch
you can
this.
see this one.
Please be on wheels.
Solid.
You ready? Watch out.
Watch out, Leedsy. Ready?
Back up, Rhodes.
Wow.
It's our bed.
Take your shoes off. Take your shoes off. Take your shoes off. Take your shoes off before you hop on.
I want to see what's in here.
Look, there's Grandma Tala and Moana on her ship. That's pretty. Yeah, you got some lights, Dad?
Where's Moana?
Look. This is Moana. Right there.
Yeah, and I also see the games.
What do you think, guys?
Good. And Mommy, look, there's a hot tub, the pool, and
I like this better.
splash pad.
We can see Epcot out
Yeah.
there in Hollywood Studios. There's a Swan and Dolphins.
Okay,
Hollywood Tower.
so consensus is that if you're gonna stay at the Poly Tower, theme park view might not be worth it. The preferred view might be the move.
Depends on if you can guarantee that I have a nice view of the castle. I'd rather have theme park view. Our kids
True. We loved the room. Make sure to hit subscribe. I'll do a full room tour, but we are actually going to walk back to the Grand Floridian because we stayed club level at the Grand Floridian and this was our checkout day and we still had full access to the club. So we were like, let's go eat dinner over at Grand Flo. So thank you so much for joining for our check-in day at the new Poly Tower. We have so many more videos to show you about the Poly Tower. So stay tuned and thank you so much for watching. Can't wait to hang with you again soon. Bye.